Hi, I'm Chris with Affordable Garage Door Repair. My family taught me the importance of working hard and taking care of your family and your neighbors. The Air Force taught me the importance of doing things right with the highest level of integrity. Affordable Garage Door Repair is proud to serve the Homer Glen community, whether it be a small repair, a broken spring, or a whole new garage door. Affordable Garage Door Repair is there to take care of you. I am proud to call Chicagoland my home, and I am even more proud that the team at Affordable Garage Door Repair is there to take care of the neighbors.